monk's gift. Once upon a time, a monk named Kuke blocked on the door of a poorhouse. "I'm sorry, but I can't find an inn. Please let me stay for one night tonight." Then, an old woman came out from inside and said, "I'm sorry to hear that. If you don't mind in a place like this, come on." When the grandmother made the monk sit on the edge of the irori, she put hot water in the wag and served it. "I'm embarrassed, but I don't have anything to eat. At least drink this hot water, because it warms up your body." The monk held the wall with both hands and drank hot water. "My cold body warms up more and more. Thank you. It's as if it's come back to life." When the monk thanked me, the grandmother bowed her head as if she was sorry. "I'm sure I'll make something tomorrow morning." Then the monk took out 3 grains of rice from his boat and said, "I'm sorry, but please boil the porridge with this." "Oh, I'll have porridge with this." The grandmother was surprised, but as she was told, she put 3 grains of rice in the pot and stewed it. Then, what do you think? Delicious porridge immediately overflowed from the pot. "Come on, let's eat with your grandmother." The delicious thing about that porridge. It's the first time in my life that I've eaten such delicious rice porridge. "Thank you, thank you." The grandmother was happy with tears. "Thank you for the delicious rice porridge. It's dirty, but please take a rest here." The old woman let the monk sleep in her futon, and I slept in the straw. Early the next morning, when the monk got up so as not to wake up his grandmother, he took out 3 more grains of rice from his bother and put them in the empty rice. "Grandma, please stay healthy forever." When the monk said that and tried to leave the house, the grandmother woke up in a haste and said, "Monk, please wait. From now on, I'll make soup with potato leaves." "Thank you. But I have to go out now. Later, try to open the rice." When the monk said that, he left his grandmother's house. "Monk, please come again." The old woman gently put her hands together toward the monk who was leaving. "Come to think of it, I told you to open the rice." When the grandmother who entered the house opened the rice, there was a lot of rice in the rice that was supposed to be empty. And the rice is strangely, even if you eat it every day, it won't disappear a little. Thanks to this rice, my grandmother lived well forever. The end.